Game 3 in the desert, where it's 110 degrees today in Tucson, and the pressure also high on both squads at Hi Corbett Field tonight. Arizona trying to get to the College World Series for the first time since 2016 for Mike Bianco and Ole Miss. 2014 the last time they were there. What we do know is one ticket will get punched to the College World Series in Omaha tonight.
Broadway set the 1-1 to Bullard. That one lined to left for a base hit. Bossier's going to be waved around third. Slide, safe.
And Arizona strikes first.
It's hit to right field. Fairly deep. Back onto that Leatherwood. To the wall. It is gone. Home run. Jacob Berry.
Arizona has out-homered their opponents now this season, 68-25. That ball's drilled way back there in right.
Holgate has blasted the Wildcats to a 4-run lead.
Home run of the postseason for Ryan Holgate, now 10 on the year. The second for Arizona tonight, their 6th of this Super Regional.
It's off the base of the wall. In to score comes McClary. Williams around third. Berry headed home. Wildcats blowing it open.
Well, I guess numbers don't lie. There's just no breathing in this lineup.
Arizona 1 out away from heading to Omaha for the 18th time in school history.
Ball up the middle. It is gloved by Cotto. He throws to first in time for the out. The 3 words you love to hear. On to Omaha.
It's one thing to know you have a good team and talk about what you can do. It's another thing to go out there and do it. Tomorrow, we're getting to work on that.
Let's go! 1, 2, 3.